Kevin, still having problems with BRP Go connection issues with navigation. New 2023 Sea-Doo. Will Sea-Doo get better? They put a GPS in it. Thanks for all you do. Brian, thank you very much. Let's put up Brian's question. I'm still having problems with BRP Go. My understanding is that they are currently working on revamping BRP Go, and there is a pretty substantial update being made. But in the same thread, my understanding is that there's also a change coming to the dashboard as well. And all you have to do is look at the side-by-sides, the Maverick, and see what they're working with to get a really good idea. Unfortunately, BRP Go is temporary, and the tech package will probably be modified in the next 2 years. So that's why I'm always a little cautious, and I always say, guys, hey, don't rush out for the first year of stuff. Why don't you wait a little bit? And that's kind of the best. That's the best suggestion you can make. All right.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.